Dan Swede with Hydrochem Systems. January 11th right now, 2018. Here's some of our trash bin, wheelie bin cleaning trailer packages. The one closest to me and the one on the far left are Platinum Plus 15-stage wastewater recovery filtration system. They have 3,500 PSI at 9 gallon a minute, high volume hot water pressure washers, all stainless steel frame. They all include a 20-gallon winterizing tank. They come with two 270-gallon tanks, one supply and one recovery tank. Even the gold trailer, which is the back right-hand trailer, have the dual tanks, a heavy-duty trailer package, all steel panel size, 8-inch steel panel size, PPG industrial paint. That one on the back with the Gold Series trailer is also a stainless steel frame upgrade on that. The Platinum and Platinum Plus series all come with stainless steel frames already included in the package. Gold is the single bin lifter, the back right hand corner one. The one on the far left is a dual bin lifter, universal grabber style lifter. The one closest to me here is also going to be a dual bin grabber style lifter. They'll lift anything from 30 gallon to 96 gallon. Trash bins, trash carts. All of these also have an inlet hose reel with 100 feet of inlet hose, a high pressure hose reel with 200 feet of high pressure 6,000 PSI non-marking hose reel guide, stack kit, and we also have another high pressure reel on the back of the trailer where the hopper is, and with 50 foot of high pressure hose there, get a spare 50 foot of hose. Let's see what else is on these things. Oh, we have an oil water separator, and we get down to 5 micron. That's like blood cells. 5 micron is almost like cigarette smoke, is between 3 and 5 micron. So we have ultrafine filtration of the wastewater. Makes you be able to dispose of the wastewater much easier. And you know, we've got people that we'll get into that when you give us a call. We can get into much more detail. But obviously the HES blue color, the custom blue, it's extremely popular. Probably 8 out of 10 of these trailer packages go out there. But we can do custom colors. We can do everything from lime green to fire engine red, or it's actually called Carnival red. We can do custom colors. We've done them in black before, you name it. So anything you need, we can assist you with. We also build full truck mounted packages, both in gold, platinum, and platinum plus series. These trailers are also available in a platinum series, which is the 35 at 9 dual bin lifter, but without the extra hydroclear filtration on there. We do custom commercial pressure cleaning systems. We also build automated drive-through truck washes. We're a UL approved manufacturing facility, and yes, Hydrochem Systems owns this 50,000 square foot facility. We're not a small business using other places to manufacture their equipment, and we 100% do build these in-house. We have a full engineering staff. We have 12 sales persons that work for our company. We also do chemical manufacturing. See some of the drums and the product in the back there. We do stationary wastewater recovery and recycling systems, stationary pressure washing systems. Like I said, we do the automated drive-through truck washes for fleet and for commercial income base. But give us a call. We can assist you with any and all your cleaning needs, from pressure washing to trash bin cleaning to commercial cleaning. All 3 of these trailers can do commercial pressure washing to the highest degree. You would be in the upper 1% of the power washing world just with the pressure cleaning system that are on here. We have 48-inch, 60-inch wide concrete sidewalk cleaners that attach to the power washers. We got brush base unit to do barrel towel roofs. We've got vacuum recovery surface cleaner attachments to be able to get them to warehouse or the Walmart contract to be able to clean and recover the wastewater. All 3 of these trailers will recover the wastewater up to 100 feet away from the trailers. So if you're doing dumpsters, compactor areas, storefronts like Walmart contract. We can help you with all that information. We give you a 200-page marketing and contractor training guidebook. We do hands-on training is included. We have available third-party route management software, accounting software. We could do full trailer wraps and help you with any other kind of printed brochures and marketing tools. Thank you again, Dan Swede Hydrochem, 616-531-6420, 616-531-6420. Also, you can go to hydrochemsystems.com, hydrochemsystems.com. And you can email us at sales@hesclean.com. We have over almost 1,900 videos online to assist our clients with training and other contractors in the country. Google Dan Swede, Google Hydrochem Systems. You'll see the kind of company you're going to want to deal with, and for the long term, we've been around for over 46 years, well established, and you've got to do the right thing. We also deliver chemicals within the tri-state area around Michigan. We ship chemicals around the country. We are actively looking for chemical distributors throughout the country on our cleaning solutions. And those are kind of a little bit of what we do: the drive-through truck washes, commercial pressure cleaning system, chemical manufacturing. We specialize in industrial, automated vehicle wash system, industrial cleaning equipment like that. You name it. So go ahead and give us a call.